Morning everybody, Aaron here from MMT. I'm just doing a little video that follows up from a database email that we sent out this morning, and it's just, I guess, regarding the position that we are currently in as a business. So like a lot of other small businesses, we're really struggling at the moment, and we've hit a bit of a point where financially and from a cash flow perspective, we're almost at breaking point. The last 18 months, I think it's getting close. I think it might have actually tipped over the next week, over 6 months out of the last 18 months that we've actually been not permitted to work. So I guess we've been really strong to this point, but yeah, like I said before, it's hit a bit of a breaking point where we're going to have to make a decision to go back to work. But we thought we'd just try and lean on you guys, our community first, just to see if you guys could offer some support. We don't really do this often, if ever, and it's quite a weird position for us to be in, but yeah, we just thought that there's a lot of people out there that probably have really benefited from knowing us and coming to see us for treatments or just chats, or just watching us through our socials and YouTube. So I guess this is our chance to ask for a little something in return, I guess, just to help us get through this next little period. So we've created a little donation link that will be attached to this video, and just asking for donations of any amount. Like, you don't have to hit a certain quota, just anything that you could do. If you're in the position to donate, that would be just so appreciated from all our staff members and just us as a business as a whole. And this morning, the outpouring of generosity has been quite overwhelming, actually. So it's been so amazing to receive and see how I guess much of a part we do have in people's lives, and we're really grateful for that. We've also got another way you can help us too. So you can pre-purchase treatments by buying a gift card. So if you're a regular and you're going to be coming back for treatments, especially when we open up, you can actually just purchase a gift card, and you're pretty much just prepaying. So just from a cash flow perspective, that really helps us too. It's a bit of a cliche to say how challenging it's been, but just with rents and expenses and bills and repayments, and just those don't stop when we're in lockdown. And the government assistance, even though it's we're grateful for that, it doesn't really scratch the surface of how much it costs to keep a business afloat. Like we said before, we've been strong to this point, but it's hit a breaking point, and I guess looking forward, it doesn't look like we may get out of this one anytime soon. And it looks like even if we do get out, say on Friday, we'll probably end up coming back into one in a few weeks' time anyway. So we've got a few decisions to make as a business, whether we make a stand and try and rally around our industry as a whole to see if we can get permitted to go back to work. But just in this kind of point that we're in now, any form of donation or generosity that you guys can give if you're in the position would just be amazing. So thanks for your support. The people that have already donated, we're overwhelmed with what's come through already. It's going to go a long way to helping us stay afloat. So thank you so much, guys, and I hope you're all well.